Once upon a time in a forest, a kind squirrel named Sam found an injured bird. Instead of ignoring it, Sam gently cared for the bird until it could fly again. Grateful, the bird promised to help Sam whenever needed. One day, a storm blew through the forest, and Sam's home was destroyed. The bird saw Sam's trouble and gathered other birds to help rebuild the squirrel's home. From then on, Sam and the bird remained best friends, always helping each other and showing the forest the power of kindness and teamwork.